everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my travel series. So this video is for one day trip to Hogekanal Falls. So this Hogekanal Falls is being situated in Tamil Nadu basically, but it's being shared by Tamil Nadu and Karnataka borders. So the one that I have booked and I had visited is it's situated in Tamil Nadu actually. So since I didn't knew much about the bus transportation, so I had booked this car from a particular travel agency. If you want more details, I will be sharing in this uh, comment section. So if you have to just comment it down if you want the travel agency information. So as you can see, we have coral pools over here, and actually a very beautiful place to visit in um, kind of winter times, since in winter times there is no rain and there is no much disturbances, so it is kind of safe also because of all the waterfalls being in control. So you can see that they have given us this one life jacket, since the water is kind of, when we asked the driver, so the water was kind of 12 feet long, or you can say depth. So yeah, this is an amazing beauty of nature. It is a very beautiful place, and if you want to really enjoy nature and in between the natures, this is the best place to select. So you can see that we have already started our journey in this coral boat, and this is the driver. So for a single coral boat, I think there are four members allowed in a single boat, and each costed us so this single boat costed us around 1500. So can I also see, so since this is a tourist place and a lot of things have been changed from the past few months, I would say, because initially the boat prices were something around 800 to 900, but currently it's being um, priced up to 1500. And our driver was telling that up to a certain point it is 1500, but if you want to explore more to the other side of the waterfalls, it might cost you around again around 1500 to 2000 rupees. But since we were happy with the kind of experience with some of the waterfalls, we were okay. So that is completely your choice. So you can see how beautiful the scenery itself is. It is within these mountains and small rocks, I would say. There is also a bridge which you can cross. I think that is for that part you have to go to the other side of the entrance. So yeah, for the entrance part, for car parking, they, I think, somewhere took around nearly 100 to 200 rupees, since it was a weekend. Here you can actually see how mesmerizing and how beautiful each scene is. It is just a live, I would say, live National Geographic Channel uh, experience. Each and every detail of this nature experience is very mesmerizing. I would suggest you to go at least once in a lifetime. So what happens in most of the coracle rides, what the driver does is they literally will take you up to the most nearer part of the waterfall, and they will give you twirls. Like I think our boat driver gave us 5 to 6 twirls. It's a very unique experience, I would say. But yeah, it was also fun. There are a high chance of getting wet, since you will literally be kind of very much near to the waterfall. So I was you can see that I was kind of um 20% my hairs, and even our what is a bag and some other what to say, some parts of our clothes were literally wet due to this twirl. But yeah, it was amazing. So you can also see people selling things like chips and some of the um, murmuras and everything in middle of the river. So this is Kaveri River, and it is a black water river. And yeah, so when we inquired our driver, boat driver, so what he explained to us is, in morning it's actually a tourist place where people do boat riding or coracles, and in the evening it's completely fishing area. uh, so most of the time fishing takes place. And also we can see that I mean, we were able to see a lot more of different types of birds which are not usually visible in our day-to-day life. And also crocodiles. So we didn't see any crocodile in our time, but yeah, usually crocodiles are also being present in the water. That's what our um, boat driver told us. So yeah, you can see that a lot of coracles are being are moving ahead in front of us in a particular line. So while getting out of the boat, what happened is, so yeah, this is the bird. This is a unique type of bird that we can see. And also you can see uh, the monkeys. So be careful of the monkeys, because there are throughout the whole journey we could see gangs of monkeys being present in each and every part of this place. So after that trip, our driver did ask for tip. That is completely your choice. We provided him with something around 200 rupees. Out of this place, there are a lot of lunch areas like this one. I had fish. There are a lot of variety of fish that you can choose and eat. So the total expenditure was something around 6 to 7K. For more information, do comment down. Bye.